So hi guys, our program title is C program of data type conversion degrees. First, data type conversion. Data type conversion is the process of converting data value from one data type to another data type. This is known as type conversion or data type conversion. There are two types of conversion in C. First, implicit conversion, which is also known as automatically conversion. Second, explicit conversion, which is also known as manually conversion. First, implicit conversion. Implicit conversion done automatically by the compiler when you assign value one type to another. Second, explicit conversion. It is done manually by placing the type in parentheses, which is syntax in bracket target data type bracket complete data value. Now we see algorithm for C program of data type conversion degrees. Step 1 start. Step 2 declare a variable integers x, y, div and float division. Step 3 read the value of x and y. Step 4 perform a division. Step 5 display result of division. Step 6 convert variables by using implicit conversion. Step 7 display result of implicit conversion. Step 8 convert variable by using explicit conversion. Step 9 display result of explicit conversion. Step 10 stop. Now we see flowchart for C program of data type conversion degrees. First, in terminal start. Next, in processing declare a variables integer x, y, div and flow division. Next, in output and input read the value of x and y. In processing perform a division. In input and output display result of division. In processing convert variables by using implicit conversion. Next, in input and output display result of implicit conversion. Next, in processing convert variables by using explicit conversion. Next, in input and output display result of explicit conversion. Next, in terminal stop.
So hi guys, today we will see the C program of data type conversion degrees. First we see stdio.h, conio.h and void main. It is a main function of this program. Here main body start. Then we see integer x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2, div and float division. This is a declare variable. Then cr. It is a function of conio.h. After printf is a function of stdio.h. Then print the value of x and y. After this we have written print the all integer data type variables. Then the output is 2 because x is integer, y is integer and div is integer. Then the value is also integer. It's a simple data type conversion. After this we have written implicit data type conversion division x by y. After that print division of two integer in a float division. Its output is 2.000 because x is integer and also y is integer and division is float. So here implicit conversion to data loss happen here, so to required manually data conversion and so use explicit conversion. After this explicit data type conversion, here to use syntax and division is equal to x by y. Then print division of two integer with float in a float division. Its output is 2.5000 because here to use syntax. After that print division of two integer with float in a float division is equal to percent dot 1f. Dot 1f it is used to erase zeros. Then get ch. It is a function of conio.h. Then here to body complete. Then we return. First we compile the program. Here to compile and warning is 0 and error is 0. Then we need to run program. The value of x is equal to 5. The value of y is equal to 2. Then division of two integer in a integer is div is equal to 2. Then implicit data type conversion. Division of two integer in a float division 2.000. Division is equal to two integer with float in float division is equal to 2.5000. Then division of two integer with float in a float division is equal to 2.5. Here to use dot 1 so zeros are erased